In today's video, I'm going to show you how to merge cards in Trello, or more accurately, how to link cards together, since Trello doesn't actually have a built-in merge cards feature. If you've ever had two related tasks on the same board, or even on different boards, and wanted to combine them, you've probably noticed there's no simple merge button. But don't worry, there is a clean workaround, and I'll walk you through it step by step. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tutorials and productivity tips. Let's get started. So here we are inside one of my Trello boards called Remote Team. On this board, I have a card called Project for March, and this is the main card I want to work with. Let's say I also have another card, either on this same board or even on a completely different board that contains related information. For this example, I'm going to link a card from a second board into this main card to simulate merging them. First, click on the card you want to keep as your primary card. In my case, that's Project for March. Once the card opens, look to the right-hand side where you see the Options panel. Click on Add Attachment. This is the key step, because attachments in Trello can include links to other cards. When the attachment window opens, you'll see different ways to attach content. Instead of uploading a file, we're going to link another Trello card. You can paste the direct URL of the second card if you already have it copied. Alternatively, you can search for it by typing the name of the card. I'll type in the name of the card I want to connect, which in my case is the Most Dangerous AI Project on GitHub. As I start typing, Trello suggests matching cards. I simply click on the correct card from the list. Once selected, click Attach. Now you'll see that the second card is attached directly inside the first card. It appears as a clickable link attachment. If I click on that attached card, Trello instantly takes me to that card, even if it's on another board. So effectively, we've connected the two cards together. This is the closest thing to merging cards in Trello. Now, here's something important to understand. When you attach card B to card A, Trello does not automatically create a backlink from card B to card A. So if I open the second card, I won't automatically see a link back to the first one. If you want a two-way connection, you'll need to manually repeat the process. Just open the second card, click Add Attachment, and then attach the first card the same way. That way, both cards reference each other. So to quickly recap, Trello does not have a native merge cards feature. There's no automatic way to combine two cards into one while preserving all checklists, comments, and activity in a single unified card. The workaround is to choose one main card, attach the second card to it, and optionally copy over important information manually if you truly want everything consolidated. This method works whether both cards are on the same board or completely different boards. And as you saw, when you click the attached card, you're instantly taken to that board, making navigation seamless. This is especially useful for cross-team collaboration, where related tasks live in separate project boards. That's it. That's how you effectively merge cards in Trello by linking them together. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.